In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first YouTube video and get it published. And not only that, I'm also going to show you how to do it in less than 10 minutes. If you have been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but you don't know where to begin, this is the video for you because I'm going to take you from zero to your first published YouTube video in no time. First things first, you need a topic. If you already have a niche or a target audience in mind when starting a YouTube channel, that's great. But if you don't worry. You can start a channel about anything. The most important thing is that you're passionate about what you're doing. I recommend that you choose something you like, something you enjoy, because you're going to be spending a lot of time on it. Once you have your niche figured out, now it's time to plan your first video. For your first video, I recommend that you talk about something that you know very well, something that you're an expert at. Don't try to be too clever with your first video. Just talk about something simple that you know very well. This is going to make your life a lot easier. Now that you have your topic, let's move on to the next step, which is writing the script. You don't have to write a script, but I highly recommend that you do. The script doesn't have to be very long. It could just be a couple of bullet points with the main points that you want to touch on in your video. Having a script will help you stay on track during your video and make sure you cover all the important points. Now that you have your topic and your script ready, it's time to record your first video. Now there are a lot of things that you could use to record your first video. You could use your smartphone, you could use a webcam, you could even use your digital camera. Whatever you use, make sure the quality is good and that you're going to be happy with it. Next up, we're going to need some software to edit our video. There are a lot of different options out there, but I'm going to recommend a couple of my favorites. If you're looking for a free option, there are many free video editors out there. My favorite one is called OpenShot. It's easy to use and it's very intuitive. If you're willing to spend a couple of dollars, there are some really good options out there. One of my favorites is Filmora. It's very easy to use, and it has a lot of really cool effects that you can use in your videos. Now that you have your video editing software installed, it's time to start editing. If this is your first time editing a video, it might take you a little bit longer. So don't worry if it takes you a couple of hours. Just take your time and make sure you're happy with the final result. Once you have finished editing your video, it's time to upload it to YouTube. Go to YouTube and sign in. Once you're signed in, click on the Create button. Now here you're going to fill in all the information about your video. The title, the description, the thumbnail, all of that stuff. Make sure you fill in everything correctly because this is gone. Help your video rank better in search. Once you have filled in all the information about your video, click on the Next button. Here you're going to select a couple of things like the visibility of your video, who can see it, and you're going to select the audience. Once you have done that, click on the Upload button. This might take a couple of minutes depending on the size of your file, and that's it. Once your video has finished uploading, it's going to be visible on your channel and anyone can watch it. Now this is not the end. You should actually start promoting your video so that more people can see it. But that's a topic for another video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.